Hi, welcome to this YouTube video. In today's video, we will learn about dictionaries in the Python programming language. A dictionary is used to store data in key and value pairs. It's a collection which is ordered, changeable, and doesn't allow duplicate values. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values as shown. We can refer to a value in the dictionary by using its key name in square brackets. We also have a get method which will give us the same result, but if the key is not available, then the get method will return none. The keys method will return all the keys available in the dictionary as a list. Similarly, the values method returns all the values in the dictionary as a list. The items method returns both key and value pairs as a tuple in a list. We can check if a key is available in the dictionary using the in keyword. We can change the value of a key by referring to the key. If the key is not available, then it will add the key value pair in the dictionary as well. We can also use the update method to update or add any key value pair in the dictionary. We can use the pop method to remove any key value pair by using the key. We can also use the del keyword to remove any given key from the dictionary. If the key is not given, it will also delete the whole dictionary. We can loop through a dictionary with the for loop, which will give us the key names. We can also have nested dictionaries in Python, where the value of a key will be a dictionary as well. An example is shown in the image. So this was some basic info about dictionaries. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more such short learning videos.